What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and you back with another video, and I have here an unboxing of the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Keyboard. I got this for my new setup. I'm going to be using this keyboard for basically typing on my MacBook when I'm at a desk setup. I pretty much will prefer a keyboard, put a little distance between me and my laptop. It helps, with eye strain and what have you. But that's neither here nor there. But let's check it out. Now, this is the tactile keyboard version of this. Now, if tactile is not for you, you can get this in a clicky or linear feel to it. I went with the tactile because of the sound the keyboard makes itself. Inside of the keyboard, you do get a USB-C to A cable, pretty much it right here. USB to A cable, and you also get a Logibolt. If you do not use Bluetooth, you can use this and put it in one of your ports for the connectivity of your keyboard. I decided to do a Bluetooth connection. I like to try to save as many slot openings on my laptop open as possible for other peripherals. But real quick, let's go over this. Since you've seen the inside of it, this keyboard, from a style standpoint, is very reminiscent to the Keychron keyboards. Logitech take a lot of their cues from them. The thing is, the Keychron are way more cheaper, I think by at least $50 when it comes to this mini size style of keyboard. This one retails for, I got this for $142. Normally it retails for $149. I do know the clicky ones are going for $139 at Best Buy. So if you're interested in one of these, I'll leave the links to that down below. These are pretty cool keyboards. I got it pretty much set up on my MacBook that's out of camera view, but real quick, this MX has a real nice feel to it. The feedback, the minimal noise when you're typing. It does have angles in the back where you can angle your keyboard up for better typing comfort. Provides, the durability and the build quality of it is very high end. The keyboard is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, iOS, Android, Linux, Chrome OS, you name it. This keyboard will work with it. Now, it does have a feature called Smart Illuminations. And what that is, if you have the light turned on, you can also increase and decrease the brightness by hitting the F9 key where the light logo is at to brighten or darken the lights as you see fit. But smart illumination is whenever your hands is away from the computer, it darkens, and when your hand approaches the computer, keys will lighten up so you can see it. Let's see if I can turn the lights off and give you an example of that. There you go. You see how the lights just went out? Then when you get close to it, lights back up. There's also some other backlighting features that's pretty cool. They do have what they call a static, where the light constantly stays on, and that's pretty much wastes a lot of the battery if you use that one. There's also there's a static mode, which will keep the light, like I said, on, but that wastes the most battery. Then there's contrast mode, which will keep the keys on in the perimeter. Let me see if I can get to that. So let's check out, real quick, let's check out what the contrast looks like. Brighten that by, all right, let's check out wave. Reaction. So as you hit a button, you notice it lights up one at a time and then you have like a random one where lights will just randomly cut on without you actually touching it. Also, if you turn backlighting off, that's where you get the longest battery life. According to Logitech, if you keep the backlight off, you can get literally 10 months of battery life before you have to recharge the keyboard itself. But if you happen to be running some of the light patterns, you would probably need to recharge it very quickly. I think the longest is maybe 2 days before you really need to charge it again. So that's something to be aware of while taking advantage of all these cool little lighting effects, that it can string your battery. It does have a Type-C control on the top. You do have a switch to cut on and off. And again, like I said, it's a real nice build quality keyboard that I'm going to run with my setup. It doesn't feel cheap. Got the metal top frame around the keyboards. Got the plastic trim, and for the most part, it's on point. I pretty much like this keyboard, and I'm going to try to put together a nice little setup where I'm going to have this keyboard teaming with my MacBook Pro and my iPad 11 Pro for a nice little desk setup. Once I get everything together, I might do a video and show you guys on it if there's some interest in it. But for the most part, I just want to get this out to you guys. Again, if you like this keyboard, the links will be down in the description below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this keyboard, leave that down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.